Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we're gonna analyze NIO. As usual, every single Friday we analyze NIO, we see what's going on with it, and I will share my insights, my personal opinions and convictions regarding NIO according to a price action trader, of course. So remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel, and if you're new around here, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on many stocks including NIO, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and much more. So consider subscribing this channel. Now, NIO is looking quite impressive. It is. This is totally unexpected, by the way. I told you guys last week, I believe, usually when we respect the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, go up and break the support level again, usually most of the time we see a retest of the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So yes, I was expecting a further drop, to be honest with you guys. So I am happily surprised that NIO is very resilient. And 2 days ago, on August 24, NIO did a quite important and meaningful bullish structure. This candlestick pattern is called bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, a very nice reversal bullish pattern just above the 50% retracement. I did mention this pattern on my newsletter. It is very important for you guys to subscribe my newsletter. For instance, the Market Dive daily newsletter is here for you every single day. I share many analyses, many insights on many stocks, including Tesla, SPY, QQQ, NIO, and much more. This one is from August 24, 2 days ago. I analyzed SPY, Twitter, Tesla, and NIO. I told you guys, NIO is doing a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It did a false breakout from the previous support level, and we saw a crystal clear bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. Before the breakout, I did mention this movement to you guys. So seriously, I think you guys are going to make a good use of my newsletter. Now, back to NIO. It did this bullish pivot point over here, reversed the trend in the midterm, and it filled the last gaps. No, this gap wasn't filled by 1 cent, to be completely honest with you guys. But still, the movement it did afterwards was very impressive. Now, we are doing a pullback to the 21 EMA again. The bias is still bullish in the 1 hour chart. As crazy as this sounds, as crazy as this drop sounds, and as crazy as the market looks right now, we see SPY minus 3.38%, QQQ minus 4%, VIX went up 17% today. Still, NIO looks bullish in the 1 hour chart because it is still doing higher highs, higher lows. But I agree that this movement is quite frustrating, is quite annoying, and if the market does not react amazingly well next Monday, I do believe NIO will drop a little bit more from here, especially because it is doing a quite bearish candlestick pattern with a very high volume. So yeah, we should keep our eyes open, but still, as long as NIO does not trigger any bearish structure in the daily chart, I believe it will just keep moving sideways, erratically a little bit, retesting the EMA once here, once there. Once it retests its support levels, I do believe it's going to react because there is no evidence that NIO is really bearish right now. I mean, the bias is slightly bearish. It is very slow, right? It seems it is a slow movement, but it is still a little bit bearish. But considering that the market SPY dropped that sharply today. In addition, it just retested the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. QQQ, it is also dropped sharply. It is just above its, it is at its support area over here near the 308, 307. There is still some hope that the indices could react. If this happens, probably NIO will follow the sentiment, but in the lack of more bullish structures, I think NIO will just keep its slow, sluggish movement dancing around the 21 EMA, and there is no meaningful bullish evidence right now. There's no meaningful bearish evidence as well. We have a sharp candlestick pattern, but even if NIO drops, we see the 38.2 and the 50% retracements as support levels. So even if it drops, in theory, it should have a hard time at its support levels over here. So still, I think NIO is in a very delicate moment. We are in a very problematic time right now with the Fed, inflation, the recession, etc. So right now the time is a little bit more complex than before, but still, I believe NIO is more like erratic than clearly, strongly bearish. All right, so we should keep our eyes open at this support area. Right now, there's not a single bullish evidence, but I agree that if it reacts just above the EMA in the 1 hour chart, I think the bullish momentum will persist. This is especially true if SPY and QQQ react at their support levels. If this happens, okay, NIO will probably resume the bullish sentiment, doing higher highs, higher lows in the 1 hour chart, and this is it. But right now, we should wait for more evidence. I know it is a very complicated time, but still, I will always be here, keeping you guys updated. Remember to subscribe my newsletter for more analysis, more like in real-time analysis. If I see anything curious, anything important, I will promptly warn you guys on my newsletter. Either way, I will be here next week analyzing NIO for you guys. Thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. I will keep you guys updated. Stay safe. Farewell.